All right. Today's a chill day, so I want to get rid of some leftover stuff that's almost bad. So I'm gonna make sloppy Julies. That's me. And yeah, it's gonna be good. I didn't buy vegan bread this time. Sorry everyone, I did an impulse buy and just smelled it and it smelled really good, so I bought it. And I looked at the ingredients when I got home, so my bad. So we got some garlic, classic for any recipe. I don't actually like carrots, so I'm just putting it in. This is the remnants of a zucchini, and then I have other zucchini in case that's not enough. I don't know what kind of radish this is, but I want to use it. Get my diced tomatoes, because I'm really bad at picking out tomatoes. It's a skill that I will work on someday. I got my original Boca, it's the crumblers version. Onion I gotta use up. Extra onion in case I need it. I got pepitas. I've never put these in before. I'm gonna blend them, see how that goes. And this is kind of squishy pepper. I think you're supposed to cut the least smelly vegetables first. That's what I've heard. So even though I'm gonna use my onion first, I'm actually gonna cut it last. I don't like carrots. I don't know what people like about them. Why didn't I cut this longer first? I don't think this is the proper technique of cutting. Don't do this at home! I did this wrong. I like to do something wrong every day. At least one wrong thing a day. That was the fastest it's ever taken me to cut zucchini by hand. Make sure they're like roughly the same size. Or not. You know, it depends if you want your cooked to food evenly. If you want evenly cooked food, cut them evenly. You can eat the seeds. You can eat the seeds. You can eat the seeds. They won't hurt you. You can eat the seeds. I don't know what this is. It's a radish. This is really hard. That's not the taste I was expecting. This is harder than a potato. I don't know if I can use this. Should I go for it? I feel like I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for half of it though, because this is pretty gnarly. Jeez. Jeepers. This is too hard to cut. I don't like it. It's my amazing blend job. This looks so weird. Kind of reminds me of sauerkraut. Oh, that's a big chunk right there. Some old garlic. This is also old garlic. How old is it? Pretty old. Always add more garlic. Oh no, I lost it! So this is like a grater thing that you like wet and then you like do this and then it grates it. So I'm gonna use that for some, then I'm gonna mince it because why not? Oh, this one's breaking apart! Ah! someone peel my onion, you know what I'm saying? Because it's difficult to peel. Look at this. Alright, guys! I like a fresh onion. It's never enough onion. One time I made a meal of just onion and asparagus. It was good. I think I'm gonna caramelize onions. Okay, let's cook. So you want to put in enough coconut oil. Looks about that much. So over here I have a bunch of spices. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use all of them, but it should be good. I'm using mushroom powder because I don't actually like mushroom texture cutting them, but I like them added in. So I'm going to use mushroom powder, turmeric, which I think goes great with cumin. Then we have red pepper and paprika. You don't necessarily need both if it's too spicy for you. We've got my garlic, salt, which I don't technically need, but I'm going to add. White pepper, sage, because I like to pretend this gives it some meaty flavor. Got my seasoned salt, so this is why I don't really need garlic salt. This is a maybe. I'm going to start with nutritional yeast, see how that goes, and oregano, because I feel like that's a staple. That was not hot enough. Yeah, that's the sound you want. I'm gonna put on like medium-high heat. I don't want to like burn them a whole lot. I'm gonna put these on like medium-high heat as well, actually. Alright, let's add some garlic. Forgot my apron! Look at that. Did you see that? What am I even thinking? These aren't really getting as brown as I want. I want it faster. Got some oil on me. Look at it. Alright, let's lower this heat and let's add stuff. Let's add some other zucchini and carrots. I guess we're adding all of it, not some of it, but let's add some radish. Oh my god, I'm sick of these. I don't know what I'm doing. Why have I not learned my own lesson? Like it almost smells like French fries, but like wrong ones. Add the meat first. So however much that was. You know, whatever you want your ratio to be. I can't make these decisions for you. That's a lot of pressure on me. Break up all the blocks. Alternatively, I feel like I could have used crushed tomatoes. Don't forget to rinse your hands before you recycle them. And add these. I'm not gonna lie, this has never looked like this before. I think I tried too many things. I'm gonna add some mushroom powder. That was a lot, actually. I like this one because it's used for meat and it makes me think that I'm making meat. Okay, I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast. This has just become like an epic meal. I'm just like everything but the kitchen sink. Garlic salt, and this has a little bit of parsley in it. With parsley. Cumin. Paprika. Turmeric. I don't know what I'm making anymore. I'm just adding things. Just like, it'll be fine. What is this? Sage. Light in the sage. I guess that's not that light. It's like a lot of food though. I don't usually make this much food. I just cook alone. What is this? White pepper. Got me. Got myself. I don't know what this needs. Seasoned salt. This is the economy size. What's on this? Shake on beef. The phrase you don't read often. Well, I don't read often. Only beef. Alright, I'm gonna add some rosemary. And thyme. Just a little bit of time. So we're all running out. All running out of time. I feel like I just added all the spices I have. Ah! How hot. Pro tip, if you don't like the food you're eating, just burn your tongue and then you can't taste anything. This needed a bigger pan. That's okay. That's okay. Oh my goodness. Terrible, terrible. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It'll all work out. Yeah, I think this is a good technique right here. They call this the poke and prod at Nowhere Land. I like that they're in rings though, that's nice. I hope that stays. I'm gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Yeah, that looks good. Smells like vinegar. My nostrils. That's why you have to waft. A gentle wafting. It's gonna dip it. Just a little more whiskey. St. Patty's Day coming up. Whiskey time. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Add a little cinnamon to these. Now it's like Fireball. Just kidding. Wow, look at this. You know, this isn't really what I was imagining, but I think it's fine. So far, this is my favorite part of this meal. Look at my bag. That hurt. Yeah. I've never had a real sloppy Joe, so I don't actually know how relatable this is, but it's good. And it's sloppy. Cheers.